Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really special review for you guys. So in hand I have the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the black reflective colorway. Super limited, super hyped. They're actually going for about $1,200 to $1,500 right now. So well over $1,000 for every size that's out there. I was actually lucky enough to hit on the reservation app and I went in and got it from Adidas Melrose earlier today. So initial thoughts on the sneaker, I'm genuinely surprised it's going for the price it's going for. I thought they'd be going for around $600 to $700 like the static reflectives that came out last year. It's a black colorway and it's really hyped right now, and honestly they look really fire. Definitely differentiates from the regular black one in hand, like even without the reflective part right now showing, the colorway is just a little bit different, and if you know your Yeezys you're gonna be able to tell right off the bat that it's the reflective one. So I'm gonna be going over some of the details of the sneaker, showing you guys the 3M reflective aspect to it, and just giving my thoughts on it. Overall though, really clean pair of sneakers, really glad I got them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these yet. I mean, it's cool, but like I don't know if it's really worth over $1,000 for me. I could probably buy a sneaker that I want more. Per usual, first thing I want to start off with is the box, a regular 350 box, and let's get into the label. So here it says black reflective, black reflective, black reflective. That's the official colorway. So instead of just black, 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 it has the RF next to it. With the box out the way, I want to show you guys an up close look at these sneakers. So I mean, definitely right off the bat, you guys can see what I'm talking about. The reflective aspect is present throughout the sneaker. The colorway is just a little bit different. There's just a more of a gray hint to it, I want to say. Like that's just how it looks in my eye. I might do a comparison with these and the regular blacks if you guys want me to do. I'll put them side by side and do a close up, comparison. But as of right now, I just want to stick with this review. Just getting a look at it, we have like a gray with black infused upper, and then we have these Oreo-like laces on the shoe. Really cool touch. Of course we have the black stripe. Now this is like a pitch black colorway and the rest of the sneaker is like this grayish tint to it, so it's not technically a triple black colorway because of that difference that you guys could see. So if it was like this, it'd be a triple black colorway. But getting into the back of the sneaker, of course we have the red dotted pull tab on the back. Really love that look, makes the sneaker pop out. And then we have the stitching going down all the way on the heel area. Getting into the medial side of the sneaker, of course like this diagonal pattern going throughout there. So get a close look at that. You guys can see like the colors like speckled in with the reflective material right all around the sneaker, but right here is pretty present. Getting into the toe box of the sneaker, once again we have the stitching coming all the way down, and you guys can see the pattern right there. On the laces, let's take a quick look at the lace tips. So the dotted Oreo pattern comes all the way to the tip of the lace. Or the insoles, so on the insole of this we have this pitch black insole. It says Adidas Yeezy written in white, and of course we have the 3 stripes on the back. Lastly, we're gonna take a look at the outsole. Again, a regular Yeezy Boost 350 V2 outsole with the hit of Boost right here. It says Boost on the heel and Adidas on the front. So one thing I want to show are the tags on these. So this is how it's supposed to be if you guys are trying to legit check on the aftermarket. This is what the tags are supposed to say. Once again, these are 100% authentic from the Adidas store itself. So just a quick look, once again, same exact thing on this pair, no differences whatsoever. So I'm gonna be posting an on feet of these on my channel, so please keep an eye out for that if you're interested in seeing how they look on feet. And lastly, I just want to show you guys the reflective look to it. This is what really makes the shoe pop. Like look at the reflective design all throughout the sneaker besides the pitch black stripe. Looks really sick. Toe box is all reflective. Laces pop like crazy. Like honestly, look at the laces. And then the back 3 stripes, again reflective here. And we have speckles even going on the sock liner. Medial side, completely reflective. And the reflective makes the sole look super dark too, and I think it's a really cool look to it as well. And yeah, let's take a quick look at the other pair. Once again, 360 reflective design. Even the inside, as you guys can see, even the inside is reflective, like this area right here and right here. Right, so and this is how they look when you actually turn all the lights off, and then with the flash, so this is how the reflective looks like that. Again, pops out like crazy. Like Thank you so much for watching the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black Reflective review. Once again, these are one of the most limited Yeezys of all time, and people are really going crazy for them right now. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep them yet, just because I don't know if they're worth, you know, over $1,000 to me. I could probably sell it and get a shoe that I just like more or stands out a little bit more. Now, obviously with the whole reflective aspect, these are gonna pop, but you gotta remember most of the time you're gonna be wearing this in the day, and you know, it's not really gonna show too much. But let me know what you guys think of these. Once again, really nice sneaker. If you guys are out to get them, I really don't know what's gonna happen with these prices. I wasn't expecting it to be this high, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.